It's already our 4th day here in New York. So this morning, for today is another city tour na naman po tayo sa New York City. And of course, this will be done via do it yourself. So yung plan ko for today's activity is I will be visiting the Central Park. Of course, you should never miss the Central Park. And then the Met, Metropolitan of Museum of Art. Then we'll be going to Grand Central. Tapos babalikan natin yung Harry Potter kasi gusto ko matry yung butterbeer dito sa New York. And of course, punta din tayo ng yung Museum of Madame Tussauds, no? Meron dito kasi as part of our Go City. Kasi 7 attractions yung nakuha ko. Currently, 4 pa lang yung na-avail natin. So, yung 3 pa is I'm planning to visit the Rockefeller later, no? Which will be part also of the Go City Pass. And then we also have Madame Tussauds, yun, one. And the last one will be the Ride New York, yung parang bus, sakay kaya ng bus. And then it will tour you around the city of New York. That is our planned itinerary for today. Just a quick info, guys. Ito palang hostel namin nandiyan sa likod. Malapit lang siya sa Central Park, no? So going that way, Central Park na siya. But of course, we will not be going there. Instead, we'll go to the Met yet. Kasi yung Met, located siya mismo sa Central Park. Guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Kahapon kasi, I'm really finding hard time to buy a food na may rice. It's just happened pala, guys, na dito sa front ng aming hotel, ayan, may Chinese restaurant. And of course, pag may Chinese restaurant, they serve rice, no? So, yung $10 mo dyan, naku, ang laki ng serving. So, just the same, papunta tayo ng MTR since the 103rd Street yung pinakamalapit dito na MTR sa ating hostel. Ayan, so dito na tayo ngayon sa bus stop, guys. So, galing sa MTR kanina. So, nag-exit lang ako into the station and then makikita mo yung bus stop. So bus stop na yung ating sasakyan papuntang Metropolitan. So you have to take note, guys, pag yung bus na sasakyan mo is select bus siya, ganyan. May select bus siya nga SBS. Dito yung payment. Ayan. So dito mo itatap yung Metro card mo, dyan mo ipapasok. Then automatically magre-reflect na yung payment niya sa bus. So walang payment na magaganap mismo sa bus, guys. Dito lang sa mga ganito. It's really how efficient and how advanced is the New York City right now. Dapat, guys, ang ganda ng bus nila. Ang haba ng bus. So let's sit here. Ayan na, guys, bumaba na tayo sa bus stop kanina. So yung Metropolitan is located talaga siya at the Central Park. So nakita din yun sa likod, guys. Yun yung main entrance ng Central Park. Of course, visit tayo dyan. Pero before that, let's see first the Met. Ito yung museum, guys, na kung saan marami yung mga sikat na mga painting na mga sikat na mga painters all over the world can be seen here. What's wonderful here in New York, guys, is because most of the spots dito sa New York, guys, is Instagrammable. Halos every corner, lahat na yata is pwede mapapicture. And it's worth Instagrammable. Well, along the way sa Met, guys, may mga nagtitinda ng mga pasalubong. May mga food carts na ganyan, no? Mamura lang dyan siya, guys. And surprisingly, meron silang credit card payment. Just make sure na pagbibili ka is magtatanong ka kung magkano ang presyo. Guys, to sa loob na tayo ng museum. Wala pala siyang entrance fee. Mga tote bag, guys, ito for $40. Maganda to para sa ating sisterette, the Met. $40 na siya. Mahal man. Guys, may mga tote bag dito na 50% sa Met. So, from $38, $19 na lang siya kasi 50% off. Guys, dito yung ticket nila. Papasok sa board lang. museum. So since hindi included yung ating Go City Pass sa museum, my gosh, hindi rin sila tayo papasok. So dito na tayo sa loob ng museum, sa may lobby nila, mag-store. Tapos may nabili akong tote bag at saka jacket. Pasalubong for my sisters. So there is an entrance fee dito guys sa the Met. If gusto mong manood sa mga museums, I mean sa mga displays, you need to purchase the ticket. So since hindi included yung entrance natin sa Go City Pass, we might not be able to enter. Nakalabas na tayo from the Met. So if you have seen kayo na binaba natin sa bus station doon, banda ang ating Central Park. So we will be walking around there para sa next destination natin. Kasi marami tayong pupuntahan today. We're already inside the Central Park guys. Actually, ang Central Park is marami siyang mga entrances within the park. So medyo makakalito siya. At saka tawag dito, parang masaag siya kadiri kundi siya sweet hope. Ayan, so we will now be strolling the Central Park. Pero hindi ko feel mag-stroll lang. Ang laki kasi ng Central Park. Hinihingal na ako, besh. Malapit pa lang tayo sa entrance pero hinihingal na ako. Diyos ko, hindi ko ito kakayanin. For many years na nagta-travel na ako guys, no? Since 2016 pa. One thing that I have learned from this trip is it doesn't have to, you don't have to get all of the attractions in one place. No? Hindi naman dapat necessary na lahat ng mga attractions sa isang lugar ay puntahan mo. Kasi what will happen that is very draining tsaka tiring masyado. So just take a glimpse of it kung gusto mo. Take a picture like that. And if you are full already or you are done, then you may now go. You're good to go, something like that. Look at guys, oh. Ganda niyan is may mga fountain around the Central Park. Nasa, if nauuhaw, minom. And then at the same time, meron din silang mga food stands available along the highway, along the street of Central Park. If you are going to explore the entirety of the Central Park, talaga siya guys, no? Kulang lang yung, parang kulang ang isang araw. Yeah. Tapos, pag gusto mo mag-picnic dito, mag-relax, you can have it here. Yeah. Yeah, ganun lang siya. So, I guess we will not be staying longer here. After here, at least we will be proceeding pa sa Grand Central. According to the Google Map, we have to wait for this bus stop sa may M2 para sa stop. So, pag mga bus stop na ganito guys, nawala yung parang Metro cards na payment. Yung payment niyan guys is sa loob ng bus. Guys, supposedly pupunta tayo ng 41st Street for Grand Central. But, of course, as a avid fan of the Apple ecosystem, may nakita tayong Apple store here guys. So, kaya bumaba ako sa nearest station. Nasa 5th Avenue siya. Oh my gosh. This is surely the New Yorker. Yun guys, may store ng Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Bulgari, and many more. Guys, ito yung picturesque. Ito yung nakikita ko sa mga advertisement ng Apple. Ito na store. It's in New York. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my gosh. Yung Apple symbol is nasa gitna siya ng salamin. I think yung Apple store is nasa subway. I mean, nasa ilalim. Grabe ang laki ng store ng Apple dito sa New York. Nasa ilalim siya ng else. Oh my God, look at that. Ang laki ng Apple Store. Oh my gosh, let's check kung magkano yung mga iPads here. Oh my God. Guys, ang massive na Apple Store here sa New York. I think it is still massive as para kasing laki din sa Taiwan. Yung store nila dito. Yung pricing ng kanilang mga Apple guys is the same sa Apple Store talaga. Yung pricing nila. Kaya nga lang is, the good thing here, kung dito ka bumili is wala siyang tax. Ayan, so pumunta na po tayo ng Apple Store para mag-charge. Ayan, oh, may charging sila nga ng mga ports here around the corner sa Apple Store. We are already out at the Apple Store. So right now is we will be going to the Grand Central legit finally. Grand Central na tayo. Guys, ayun na yung Grand Central. So galing sa binabaan ko is meron siyang mga 8 minutes walk going to the Grand Central. Ayan. Grand Central is also famous spot of some of the movies or films. Yung bago lang is yung sa Madam Web. Yeah, dito yung sinut. This is now the Grand Central. Ayan guys, we are now already at the Grand Central. Yan. Diyan yung spot ng mga films. Diyan nila sinushoot. Diyan yung spot ng Madam Web. Kung saan nakita ni sino nga yung artist na yun, si Anastasia Steele. Yung tatlong babae, no? Diyan yun. If you have seen it on the Madam Web. The siren here in the USA, guys, is parang it's a normal thing na lang siya. So parang it's not New York. I mean, the siren here in New York is a normal thing na lang siya. I mean, it's not New York. If it's no siren like that. So right now is dito na tayo sa Bryant Park. Yan. Ito na naman yung nakikita kong museum, guys. Oh, na may dalawang lion. Actually, ito yung hinahanap ko. Akala ko sa map ko ito makikita. Dito lang pala sa may Bryant Park. This is the New York Public Library. Sa public library pala siya. Ayan guys, oh, yung may dalawang leon. Ito yung sa mga spots din ng mga films and movies. So, ano lang talaga siya. Very quick pictorials lang siya, guys. I have remember one movie na nag-shoot siya dyan. Nakalimutan ko anong title ng movie. Basta yung leon, ano yan siya, gumalaw sa movie. So done with the public library, finally we can now go to the Harry Potter to try the butterbeer. Kahapon pa talaga pwede natin napunta-puntahan. So we are now finally here at the Harry Potter. Ayun na siya guys. So napaka-accurate talaga ni Google Maps. So tatawid na tayo. Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa Wizarding World of Harry Potter. As an avid fan of Harry Potter, you will surely love this place. So, hanapin natin yung part for the butterbeer. Come here. Lahat na yata ng mga merchandise ng Harry Potter andito. How much is this? Walang presyo, so therefore mahal yan. Oh my gosh, the books of the J.K. Rowling. Ayan, dito sila guys, oh. Yung libro talaga. Oh my gosh. This is now the area for the butterbeer. So yung butterbeer guys is $9. Pero kasama siya sa ating voucher sa pag-purchase natin sa Go City Pass. So para naging freebie siya ng Klook. Thank you, Klook! Hey guys, this is now our butterbeer. So legit talaga yung promotion ng Klook. Thank you so much, Klook, for this butterbeer. In fairness guys, masarap siya. Sarap. Gosh. Sarap. I think we're good here guys. So right now is mag-proceed tayo sa Times Square because the rest of our spots na pupuntahan are located in the Times Square. Pag yung train station nyo guys is apat yung rail tracks. It means yung nasa gitna na rail tracks guys. Yan yung rail track na dinadaanan ng mga express trains. Guys, andito na tayo sa Times Square. Times Square at daytime. So marami tayong gaganapin dito. First is sa Madame Tussauds tayo. Yun ang yung Madame Tussauds. Tapos, second is the ride. Dito din yung the ride. And the third one is the Rockefeller. Guys, sa Madame Tussauds. Actually, we went already to Madame Tussauds in Hong Kong. We really had fun. And this time, gusto kong puntahan to Madame Tussauds kasi meron doon lang Marvel 4D. Guys, per look at that, dito na yung Madame Tussauds. Guys, andito yung Target ni Bibi. Oh my God, Target Bibi. Ito na yung Target. May napapabili si Jamilo dito. And of course, guys, dito din yung The Ride. Dito yung sasakyan natin mamaya. The Ride. Oh my gosh. Let's go first sa Madame Tussauds. Personalities up close. Mga wax ito, guys. Ito yung largest wax museum in the world. Hindi ko kayo kilala, Besh, go. Guys, party-esh na here. Oh. Dito na yung mga artista. Sino nga ulit ito? Kilala ko to. Jennifer Hudson. Aquafina. I will not remember you. You're Aquafina. Yes, Ariana Grande. Ay, hindi kita kilala. Charot. Let's go to the Broadway, guys.
Hi, are you by yourself?
Yes.
All right, come on in. You're going the right way. Can we do a quick photo on Broadway and then your tour will continue?
Wow. You need to make your own song by stepping the piano. This is quite interactive. So, let's go to the couture makeup. Okay. Merang may something else. Ay! Marilyn Monroe! Yung girl kay masig na. One nation lang sayang di makita dyan ang perlas na silanganan. Charot. Guys, nasa 4D na tayo. Ito yung hinahintay ko. Bahala na yung ibang waxes na yan. Gusto kong matry yung kailang Marvel 4D. Guys, naka-glasses na tayo, guys. Oh my gosh. We have to find a seat to have a better view of the Marvel something. Ito tayo, guys.
Using cell phones, cameras, and other electronic devices at any time.
Ayan guys, tapos na yung 4D experience. Maganda siya guys kasi habang yung movie is 3D siya, then lahat ng mga action scenes na nagaganap doon is nagpa-function din yung chairs at saka yung environment. So, para ka talagang nandoon ka din talaga sa eksena. Ayan. So, I guess, tapusin ko na lang tong train ng Madame Tussauds tapos lalabas na tayo kasi meron pa tayong isang i-avail ng pass sa ating Go City, which is the ride. Ayan, so we're out at Madame Tussauds. So we will be heading first to the Target. Sa harap, guys. Kasi may bibilhin tayo, may hahanapin tayo. Target, guys, is like a shopping mall. So, hanapin natin kung saan yung bag na gusto pa din nila ang ating sisterette. Sana makita natin siya. Ayan, so wala doon sa Target yung hinahanap ko na pinapabili ng aking sisterette. Since malayo pa naman ang 550, so let's go to Joe's Pizza. Yung Joe's Pizza, sikat din yun. Isa din yun kasi siya sa mga naging shooting spot ng Spider-Man. Actually, doon nagtatrabaho si Peter Parker. Pag wala pa siya, pag hindi pa siya naka-suit up, is parang nakikita ko na siya, pinipilahan siya. Ayun. Pinipilahan ang Joe's Pizza. Sa Joe's Pizza, guys, nakalagay lang yung mga frames kasi yun na yung mga artista na nakapunta na dito. Look at the fruit, guys. Ang laki ng slices. So, para siyang laki ng slices sa isa. Guys, I ordered maski kasi malaki pa siya sa ano. Parang dalawang pa mag-cash siya. See? Ayan guys, so we have already tried the Joe's Pizza. Of course, New York will not be New York if we'll not be tasting the New York style pizza. So right now is we'll now be heading to the meet up point of the ride. Babalik na tayo doon kung saan yung Madame Tussauds kasi andoon na siya sa harap ng Madame Tussauds yung meet up point. After ng the ride NYC guys, actually meron pa tayong isang available slot talaga ay para sa ating pero I cannot think kung ano pa yung pwede nating i-visit na attraction. Isa na lang siya na siya guys. And then after sa ating the ride NYC is we will be going to the yung Pabintahan ng Sapatos, tapos sa Grand Slam. Then sa after sa Grand Slam kung meron pa tayong makikita along the way, pupuntahan na natin. Guys, ayan na yung the ride the bus. This will be our 6th activity na magagamit natin using the bus. It's just right across the corner of Madame Tussauds. So 5:50 yung schedule natin. The tour daw guys will usually last 1 hour, 2 hours na siya. Depends on the traffic.
Wow! Where's he? All the way down, guys. Oh, he's home? He doesn't do what? In New York. Okay, theirs. When was the last time you were here?
Last year.
Last year. Okay, a lot of
It's the place to be, so get on right now, take a ride with me.
1, 2, 3, get back and see. We changed the streets changed the show changed. No, we can't hear you. This is Glass. Glass is, yeah, I know. I know, it's so tragic.
Well, oh my Lord!
Hi, you've been doing in town.
Oh boy, what haven't I been doing? You've got a visitor. Oh.
Shake it. Looking good.
Ayan guys, so the ride is already ended. So yung tour pala namin was only lasted for about 1 hour, about 70 minutes only. 1 hour and 70 to 80 minutes. So the ride is a good activity if gusto mo muna mag-rest to yung mga paa out of a very tiring walk here in New York. Kasi along the way ng tour, meron silang mga hired performers who perform in the street. So it's really entertaining. Tapos the bus, you can see the outside of the bus but people cannot see you inside. So it's quite fascinating. Yan, so right after here is, I guess, actually guys, meron pa tayo isang activity na dapat natin ma-avail. Kaso lang, we do not have time kasi I need to go to the Times Square. I need to do some shop na mga shoes and I probably will be visiting again the Grand Slam para bumili ng mga additional keychains and ref magnets. Let's see what we can do. And guys, so sa Times Square na tayo. Last glimpse of the Times Square because tomorrow is uuwi na tayo. At ang people guys, kung gaano kadaming tao sa Times Square. Parang halos lahat na nangyari.